This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive MGZS Automatic Easy Method. Start by adjusting seat and mirrors, then fasten your seatbelt and ensure the handbrake is set. Press the brake firmly, shift from P to D, and release the handbrake gently. Use light throttle inputs to move smoothly and avoid sudden steering. Practice in an empty parking area until you feel confident handling stops, starts, and turns. Begin each start by keeping steady pressure on the brake and selecting D or R as needed. Release the handbrake, then slowly lift your foot from the brake while applying light throttle to begin rolling. Aim for smooth, predictable pedal inputs so the transmission shifts gradually and avoids harsh engagement. Practice modulating the accelerator in low-traffic areas until you develop a delicate touch that yields calm, confident takeoffs every time. On inclines, engage the handbrake while you prepare to move, then release it as you apply gentle throttle to avoid rollback. When approaching stops, brake smoothly and let the transmission downshift naturally without abrupt pedal changes. If you expect to be stopped for more than a few seconds, shift into P and set the handbrake to reduce strain on the gearbox. These habits protect the transmission and make driving more relaxed and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.